Our company's story began in 2017 when my beloved uncle, who was not a smoker, passed on from stage 4 lung cancer. This incident prompted me to research the effects of lung cancer, which revealed that non-smokers can also develop lung cancer due to environmental exposure to toxins. It came to my attention one day while I was cooking, when I was sweating because of the intense heat and unbearable air. It was like being locked inside a steam room, with the air that were nearly unbreathable. This was the moment I turned my attention to my cooking hood, which was not at all helpful. In fact, it seemed to make matters worse. It was then that I realized that the warm air that the hood sucked in was being expelled through the vents located at the top of the hood, throwing them back into my face in a circular manner. My curiosity was piqued, and I decided to investigate how a cooking hood works more in depth. The cooking hood, also called range hood in some countries, is a kitchen appliance designed to help clear the air above the cooking stove during cooking. It is typically mounted to the wall above the cooking stove or the ceiling above a kitchen island. Its main purpose is to remove airborne particles, such as grease, smoke, and odors. The cooking hood comes with an extractor fan inside it. As you cook, grease, smoke, and moisture rise from the gas stove surface. This fan is used to draw these particles into the hood. It is important to understand that there are two modes of operation available for the cooking hood. Specifically the recirculating mode and the ventilated mode. As the name implies, the recirculating mode recirculates the air inside the kitchen, and the ventilation mode vents the air outside using an air duct. As part of recirculating mode, particles pass through two types of filters, a grease filter and an activated carbon filter. If the carbon filter is of the right quantity, it can suppress or remove odor. Both these filters are quite effective at capturing grease. But as the heat from the gas stove recirculates, it can accumulate very bad carcinogenic air quality and produce high temperatures in the kitchen, or even the house, which is why you will sweat heavily and feel breathless when cooking in a recirculating mode. In contrast, ventilated mode is used in most other countries. It uses only the grease filter, with the carbon filter being optional as suggested in the hood's manuals, and a ducting connected to the hood's output to deliver the air out to the outdoors. Ventilated mode enables something called ventilation to be achieved, which is of utmost importance here.